Mark, Part 1, Study number 5. Question 1. From study number 4, tell him come ting blow you. Why now Jesus hemi cross with him ogeta Pharisee? Question 2. Who now Jesus hemi tell him that ogeta part lo family blow him? Reading Mark chapter 4, verse 3, Kasim verse 8. Before me read him this one fella small something me must tell him long you. Jesus, me tell him one fella talk picture go lo ogeta people. About him ogeta seed. You fella must listen good lo this fella story. And try hard for remember him for fella different kind ground. Where ogeta seed, hemi fall down inside lo him. Try for remember him too, one name now hemi happen long ogeta seed. Okay, Mark chapter 4 verse 3. Jesus hemi say long ogeta people. You fella listen good fella fast time. One fella man hemi go for plant him ogeta seed lo garden blow him. Time hemi toro him ogeta seed ya. Some fella seed ogeta fall down lo road. And ogeta bed come and kaka him everyone. And some fella long ogeta seed ya. Ogeta fall down lo place where ground hemi small fella too much. Because hemi stop on top lo big fella stone no more. And ogeta start for grow quick time. Because ground ya hemi no deep no more. But time sun hemi hot too much. Ogeta die now. Because root blow ogeta, no go down too much. Some fella more lo ogeta seed ya. Ogeta fall down lo place where root belong nila grass, hemi stop lo him. And nila grass ya, hemi grow big fella on top lo ogeta seed ya no more. And hemi stop him ogeta seed for no grow. Make him ogeta nothing got him any fruit long ogeta. But some fella seed, ogeta fall down long good fella ground now. So ogeta grow good fella and got him fruit long ogeta. Some fella seed, ogeta got him 30 fella fruit, and some fella got him 60 fella fruit, and some fella more got him 100 fella fruit. Question 3. You savvy tell him come 4 fella kind ground inside long talk picture? Question 4. One him now hemi happen long ogeta seed, where hemi fall down long ogeta kind ground ya. Reading Mark chapter 4, start lo verse 14 and 15. Now Jesus hemi tell him come meaning blow this fella talk picture, long ogeta disciple blow him. This fella man who hemi plant him seed ya, hemi plant him talk blow God. Ogeta seed where ogeta fall down lo road ya, hemi all same time ogeta people ogeta hear him talk ya. And same time no more, Satan hemi come and take him out talk ya from mind blow ogeta no more. 2 fella short fella question come from this fella reading. Question 5. One him now seed ya, hemi mean him. And question 6. One him now ogeta bed, hemi mean him. Reading more, Mark chapter 4 and verse 17. But talk blow God, hemi no go deep no more inside lo mind blow ogeta. So hemi no savvy stop long time no more. Time hard time hemi kasim ogeta, and time ogeta people make savvy lo ogeta from talk ya. Ogeta quick time too for lose him go every something now. Question 7. Ogeta people who all same ground where hemi stone, one him now hemi make him ogeta for go away from way blow God. Reading more, Mark chapter 4, verse 18 and verse 19. En ook het a seed, where ook het a fall down, long place where root, blong nila gras, hemi stap lo hem. Hemi o same time some fella people ook het a hear him talk, ja. But ook het a worry too much about him any kind something. En ook het a love him too much too, resist blow this fella wall. En ook het a covered him any kind nara something more. So talk, ja, hemi no savi grow, and hemi no got him any fruit lo him. Question 8. From ook het a vis, ja, one him now 3 fella something, where hemi savi kill him die, word blow God, from life blow you me. Try for put him answer blow you, long ook het a word blow you seleva. Question 9. One him now ook het a something inside your life blow you, where hemi savi make him you for no follow him and obey him word blow God. Reading Mark chapter 4 verse 20. Jesus had me tell him out meaning blow this fella talk picture more. Verse 20. But ook get a seed, where ook get a fall down lo good fella ground, hemi all same time ook get a people, ook get a hear him talk blow God ja, and ook get a barava believe lo him now, and ook get a got him fruit all same ook get a wheat, where some fella lo ook get a got him 30 fella fruit. And some fella got him 60 fella fruit. And some fella more got him 100 fella fruit long oketa. Question 10. Oketa, what kind people eat good fella ground? Reading Mark chapter 4 verse 25. Jesus had me talk about him oketa people well oketa got him savvy lo word lo God. And Jesus hemi tell him oketa also more. And anyone who hemi got him this fella savvy finish, by God hemi give him plenty more. But anyone who hemi no got him this fella savvy ya, no matter little bit savvy that hemi got him, God by hemi take him out from him no more. Question 11. Talk round him little bit. Want him now way for grow inside lo savvy lo word blow God. And want him now way for lose him any kind savvy lo word blow God. You must think him good fella ground and ravish ground. Reading Matthew chapter 5 verse 15 and verse 16. Jesus hemi go ahead for talk more lo here. And time man hemi light him come one fella lamb. Him no savvy hide him lamb underneath lo bucket. No more. Hemi must put him on top lo place blow him now. Make him light hemi sign go lo everyone inside lo house. Long same way too. Light blow you fella, hemi must sign go lo ook the people. Make him ook a look savvy long ook a good fella something where you fella do him. And make him ook a make high lo daddy blow you fella long heaven. Question 12. Want him now, you me must do him with him light, yeah? Where you me take him from God. Reading Mark chapter 4 verse 33 and verse 34. Jesus, hemi tell him out talk blow God, long plenty talk picture, osem long oketa people. Hemi tis him oketa follow him how much now, oketa savvy here savvy, long tissing blow him. Jesus nothing tell him any something long oketa people ya, where him no savvy use him talk picture lo him. But time hemi stop seleva with him oketa disciple blow him no more, Jesus hemi just tell him out good now. Or get a meaning blow, get a something, yeah. Question 13. How now, Jesus, hemi help him or get a disciple? For savvy long or get a meaning, long or get a talk picture. Question 14. Who now help him you me today? For savvy lo word blow God. Reading Mark chapter 4, start lo verse 35, kasim verse 40. Story about him Jesus, where him he saw him out power blow him, for stop him, win and wave. Long same day ya no more, before sun him he go down, Jesus him he tell him long o get a disciple blow him all same. You me cross him lake ya, go lo another side. So o get a disciple blow him, o get a lose him, o get a people ya now. And o get a go inside lo boat where Jesus him he sit down finish lo him. And o get a go with him. Some fella boat more, o get a go with him o get a two. Behind no more, big fella wind him he come up strong for good now. And o get a wave too, but have a go head for come inside lo boat Blong o get a. Go him he goes up sing down now. But Jesus, him he barava sleep behind lo boat no more. And o get a disciple blow him. O get a wake up him and o get a say, Hey, Tisa, what's way now? You no worry no more. You me goes up die now. Now time ya no more. Jesus him he stand up and talk strong, lo win ya os him. You must stop now. And him he say more lo o get a wave ya. You fella must quiet now. And time ya no more, win ya him he stop. And water ya barava quiet for good now. Now Jesus him he say lo o get a disciple blow him. What's way now? You fella afraid too much os him? You fella no believe yet? Question 15. Why now o get the disciples should no fright? Time storm ya, him he no good to us. Question 16. One him now, two fellas something, Jesus ask him o get a. Time wind and wave, him he quiet bike more. Reading Mark chapter 4, verse 41. But no matter os him, o get a disciple barava fright for good. And o get a go ahead for talk os him to get along, o get a seleva. What kind man na ya? No matter wind and o get a wave ya, o get a savi obey him talk blow him no more. Question 17. One him now o get a knew something, where o get a disciple, I learn him about him Jesus. Question 18. One him now storm ya might mean him lo life blow you every day. Some fella ting for ting him back lo study number 5. Mark chapter 4. Lord Jesus, him he all time use him or get a talk picture for teach him or get a disciple blow him. Talk picture him he story where him he teach him lesson. Or get a talk picture, help him or get a disciple for savi good lo one him Jesus him he tell him. Talk picture about him man where him he go out for plant him seed. One fella man him he go out for plant him seed. Him he walk about go and throw him or get a seed go lo ground. Seed ya, him he must grow long good fella ground. Jesus him he tell him that word blow God, him he also him seed. And or get a people who he hear him. He also him or get a different kind ground. Some fella time, Satan him he take him out word blow God from heart blong or get a people. Also him or get a bed, I kai him or get a seed ya. Some fella people, he look also him or get a believe long Jesus. But time trouble him he come, or get a sense him mind blow get a. Jesus no promise him you me that by life him he easy for follow him. Or get another fella people, he also him or get a seed where him he grow, inside long or get a nila grass. Or get a busy too much. And no got him time for read him word blow God. Or get a busy too much for waka for seleni, for play lo sport, and for do him or get another fella something. Oketa people who I olsem good fella ground, life Blong oketa, hemi help him oketa nara fella people for savi Lord Jesus. You think so what kind ground now? Heart blow you. You me hear him talk picture about him light. Word blow God, hemi olsem one fella light. Jesus, hemi tell him, you me must no hide him oketa light. You me must let him oketa nara fella people look him light. Where God hemi give him lo you me. Was way. Anyone where you savi share him word blow God with him today, hemi stop? You me hear him talk picture about him seed. This fella talk picture, hemi teach him you me that suppose you me plant him straight, word blow God, inside lo heart blow get the people, by hemi grow. Seed lo word blow God, hemi grow or same any kind seed. Waka blow you me now for plant him. Time you me tell him or get another fella people about him God. Story about him Jesus where hemi make him storm for hemi quiet. Jesus been tell him or get a disciple for cut cross lo lake inside lo boat. Quick time no more, one fella big fella storm hemi come. And hemi go hit now. Or get a disciple fright too much. And thinks a boat ya by hemi sing down now. Jesus hemi sleep yet. And o get a forget that o get a safe no more with him. Because hemi been tell him o get a for go long boat. Time o get a wake up him, hemi just stand up and tell him wind and o get a wave for stop. And o get a do him now. Hemi ask him o get a disciple, why now o get a fright too much? Time hemi stop with him o get a. Some fella time, you me got him storm inside lo life blow you me too. And hemi easy too much for fright. But suppose you me got him, Lord Jesus, inside lo life blow you me savi trust him.